My name is Sri Wahyuni from class 12 Social 1. Autobiography Judika. Name Judika Nalon Abadi Sitohang. Date of birth 31 August 1978. Born in Sidikalang, North Sumatra. Zodiac Virgo. Famous since won the runner-up Indonesian Idol Season 2 2005. Judika Nalon Abadi Sitohang, or better known by the name of Judika, is Indonesian singer. The singer who has a distinctive husky voice is born in Sidikalang, North Sumatra, 31 August 1978. Judika was the birth child of 7 siblings. Judika singing since he was already engaged in elementary school instruction in Bractide. He was joined in a vocal group along with the Kompian, Roy, Junaidi, and Jonathan. Together with his group formation, Judika had appeared in a 5-star hotel in the area where it came from. It was further for the spirit of Judika become a star. He tested her talent through singing competition Bahana Star. The student voice as the first champion of North Sumatra and the third level of the national. Beginning his professional career as a singer, Judika happened when he followed the Indonesian Idol Season 2 by beating thousands of other contestants throughout Indonesia. Judika successfully entered the top 10. From all the moment in the singing talent search, reaching the position of runner-up is the moment that catapulted his name. After 2 years of his participate in the Indonesia Idol, Judika released his first album. The album, titled One, that comes with 10 songs. The song, Not Flirt Rags, successfully what Judika increasingly recognized. Music and sound typical Judika makes this song is very attractive. His second album, Half Did Merindu, released in 2010, the album that carries the single I'm the Tersakiti and Half Did Merindu is not only a success in the country because the second single would bring Judika become the only singer whose songs carried success in first place at BT in Malaysia. For this achievement, the 35-year-old singer was awarded multi-platinum award from Sony Music Entertainment Indonesia. Judika is also active as a band personnel. He joined the group leader Ahmadani Mahadewa. Judika released the album Past to Present with the band Wu Take Shelter in the Republic of Love Management it. Regarding his personal life, of officially married Judika Duma really strong. The blessing held 31 August 2015 last. The relationship through the blessing of the different professions called great Duma opposition from parents before. Judika, who worked as an artist, is not deemed fit by the parents of the model. However, the persistency of Judika fight for approval until the 5 years that relationship makes parents Duma finally melted and followed God marriage. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Intan Khalifah from class 12 Social 1. Autobiography Aliando Sarif. Name Muhammad Ali Sarif. Famous name Aliando. Place and team birth Jakarta, Oktober 26, 1996. Religion Islam. Hobby playing drum, bass, computer, singing. Favorite food rendang, curry, chicken, bread meat, chicken crystal. Favorite drink tea, orange. Favorite avocado juice, iced tea, mineral water. Favorite games left, 4 deer, class of that. Favorite movies Saw 1 until 7, Trick 8 Man 1 until 2, Jambi, Garuda in my place 2. Award singer Eric Martin, Bruno Mars, Mary Carey, Novi. Favorite football player Messi, Maradona, Rugby, Cat, Ronaldinho, Eric, Fabric. Favorite music rock, modern rock, pop rock, R&B, jazz, soul. Favorite club football Barcelona, Chelsea, AC Milan, Real Madrid. School Al-Islah Kindergarten, Al-Husna Kindergarten, Al-Husna Elementary School, Junior High School of Martin Bixby. This school guy is a new artist in the Indonesia entertainment world. Aliando has Arabian root from his father. That is why his face looked handsome, because it results from a combination between Indonesia and Arabic. Therefore, many young women become his big fans. Aliando becomes Indonesia teen idol because of his good acting in the serial of GGS. His romantic action with his partner named Prilly in GGS made a lot of greeting, irritated, and jealous. Actually, he is not the main character in GGS because the main character are Kevin Julio and Ricky Harun, but Aliando Sarif was LB to other my view of GGS with his home. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.